Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. With it, I have also purchased a SanDisk 128GB SanDisk Extreme micro SD card. It has a capacity of 128GB, which is recommended by DJI for all the action cameras. Without further ado, let's have a look at the box. Let's have a quick glance at the contents of the box. So, in the box we've got the DJI Pocket 2. We've got a cover, a micro tripod, a mini control stick, tripod mount, USB splitter and charging cable. We've also got a wide angle lens, smartphone adapter, that's lighting for iPhones, and smartphone adapter USB-C for Android phones. We've also got do-it-all handle, a wireless microphone with windscreen, a wireless microphone transmitter, and finally a wrist strap. Since this was purchased in UAE, you got the 3RA licensing as well. Let's quickly unbox it, and I'm gonna be back in a minute. As we quickly unboxed, we notice there's a small illustration. We've got the Osmo Pocket 2 in its cover. Let's see what else is in the box. We see all the contents in the box. I'm gonna unravel them one by one soon. We see some more instructions in the box. Let's remove it. As we open the box further, we see the do-it-all handle, the micro tripod, the tripod adapter, and a clip-on microphone. As you can see, I opened up all the things and set it out for you. So we've got the wrist strap, the microcontroller, USB-C adapter, the iPhone lightning adapter, the mic, the wide angle lens, the cables, and the pocket itself, which I'm gonna open soon. Let's flip through the quick start guide. Having quickly gone through it, let's set up the DJI Pocket 2. So this is how it is once we remove it from the carry case. Okay, let's remove all the stickers, put the SD card in, and fire it up. What do you say? Let's go. So I've got the plastics removed and getting ready to fire it up. As I pressed the switch on the power button, as you can see, it's already mounted on the mini tripod. So let me select English as the language. So let's see what it says. Device not attached to activated. Connect to DJI Mimo. Alright, so let's connect it to DJI Mimo first, and then I'll get back to you. As you can see, I've just set up the DJI Osmo and I'm trying to connect it to the Mimo app. This is the setup where you can use an Android phone or an Apple phone and use it as a bigger viewfinder and use all other options. Hello guys, I'm recording this in the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and it's connected to my smartphone. I'm using the smartphone as a controller to record this.